In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple slides with notes on one page in Google Slides. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation. With the file open, go up to the top menu and choose File, then select Print Preview. This view is designed for setting up exactly how your slides will look on paper, and it's the best place to control whether speaker notes appear. At the top of the preview, you'll see a drop-down that usually says one slide without notes. Click that drop-down and change it to one slide with notes. As soon as you switch it, the preview updates to show each slide along with its speaker notes beneath it. This format is perfect for handouts, for rehearsing, or for sharing context with your audience. When that looks right, click Print. This opens your browser's print window. Here, click More Settings to reveal additional layout options. Look for the setting labeled Pages per Sheet. This is the key to placing multiple slides with their notes onto a single printed page. Choose how many you want per page, commonly 2 or 4. If you pick 2, you'll see 2 slides, each with its notes arranged on one sheet. If you pick 4, you'll get 4, as long as your presentation has enough slides to fill those spots. The preview on the right helps you confirm how everything will be arranged before you commit to printing. If the text feels a bit cramped or edges look clipped, adjust the scale setting in the same More Settings section. Increasing the scale makes each notes page larger. Decreasing it helps fit more comfortably within the printable area. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in readability, especially if your speaker notes are lengthy. Keep an eye on the margins in the preview to ensure nothing important is cut off. Once you're satisfied with the layout, scaling, and the number of slides per sheet, go ahead and click Print. Your printer will produce pages that include your slides and their corresponding notes, with multiple slides grouped neatly on each page based on your selection. That's all there is to it. By using Print Preview to enable notes and then pages per sheet in the print window, you can create compact professional handouts that conserve paper while keeping your commentary visible. It's a quick, reliable way to prepare materials for meetings, classes, or practice sessions without losing the valuable context you've written in your speaker notes.